Global Leader Training Center. Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. And today, from continuing from the last lesson, we're going to look at this project tab, and I just only taught you how to make this as a voice. But this time I'm just going to tell you like 5 minutes of how to use few more features of it. Let's get started by this play button. If you select any, like if you hover over any text, you will see it'll highlight as yellow color. If you click on it, you directly see that all these features have been unlocked. You can press this play icon or play button to play the sound and hear the preview. Or you can directly press login. And you can press this regenerate to regenerate that part. Or you can directly press login. You can use this when there's few mistakes when AI is speaking, or like it's a bit weird. You can press this regenerate to make it a little better or customize as you want. The next is this enable automatically continue playing button. If you press on this will just automatically play all this after one another. Just let's see if I press it. Or you can directly press login. When you sign up, it will ask you for few information. Complete it. Then you'll be taken to this place. Here you can type text you want to convert into speech. You'll see that it really did as I said. It directly goes one after the other, so you can use this to hear the whole project. The next is forward and backward button. So if you type anything like log in, when you sign up, it will ask you for few informations. Please complete it. And I don't want it. You can just press this undo button. To undo it, or this redo button to redo the work. As a shortcut, you can use Ctrl Z and Ctrl Shift Z. The next is this insert divider. So when you select any part of the text and you just press this insert divider, you will see this little icon appears, and this will separate these two text. Before it was like, or you can directly press login, but now it will be like, or you can directly press login. Let's hear it out. Or you can use this feature to separate some important speech, or if you have to like take a breath here or wait a few seconds here, you can insert this divider. The next is this H button. So this H button, you can think, what is it? If you press on it, you'll see that there's H1, H2, H3, H4, and tons of it. But if you select any text, really any text, and press it and change to like H3, you will see that the font size or the size of the text will get bigger or smaller. You can use this when you want to see particular plays, or you can use this feature. And we already learned before, but I'm going to tell you again. Paragraph setting, you can choose which voice you want to use. Voice setting, you can use how the stability of this, clarity, and style exaggeration. And there's also chapters, which lets you divide some text. Like if you have chapter word 0 and we have how to use AI, you can add more by pressing this plus button, or you can just delete if you don't want it, or you can also customize this chapter again. And that's all for the project. Sometimes when you're working with Elevenlabs, you might be running out of credit and you want more, and you want to get more credit and unlock more features. Then you can pay for it. First of all, click on this credit quota upgrade, or you can press this my workspace and go to subscription. And first of all, this will show you the subscription details, and you can manage billing info like what date you have to pay. And they will show the current plan. I am the creator plan, and the subscription status like 10% discount applied, and credit uses, how many credits are left and how many credits I can use. We're going to look at plans now. And you can, first of all, you can choose monthly or annually. So if you choose monthly, you have to pay every single month. And if you choose annually, you can pay every year. But actually now it's 2 months for free if you use annually. Let me look at monthly because I just want to use this. Free plan. This is $0 for forever. And this is for individual who want to try a most advanced AI audio. And if you're using this free account, you can just try it out, or like you don't really want to pay or you don't have too much contents with it, you can use this free account. It gives you 10,000 credits per month, which is like 10 minutes of audio, and it generates speech in 29 languages using thousands of unique voices. So this doesn't have limit actually, and you can translate context with auto dubbing. You can also create custom synthetic voices. You can also generate sound effects, and you can even get API access, which is used for automation or like web service. If you use starter, which is $5 per month, this is like for hobbyists. It gives you 30,000 credit per month, which lasts 30-minute audio, and you can use every single feature of this free plan. You can also clone your voice. Also, you can access to dubbing studio and more controls over translation and timing. And you can even get a license to use Elevenlabs for commercial use, which means you can upload it to YouTube and earn money. Like in free plan, you can upload it, but you can't get money. But in starter, you can earn money by uploading this. Creator, which is $22 per month, and this is usually used for creators making premium contents. It gives you 10,000 credits per month, which lasts 2 hours of audio. It includes everything in starter plus, and for additional, it gives you professional voice cloning to create the most realistic digital replica of your voice. So like here in starter, you can only clone your voice like and not really perfect, but in creator, if you use creator, you can use like a really professional. It'll just directly copy your voice and make really clone of yourself. There's also projects to create long form contents with multiple speakers, audio native to add narrations to your website and blogs. You can also get higher quality audio via the API, but this is like for, as I told you, website maker, so you don't need to know this. And here's Pro. Pro is for larger creators, and this is 50,000 credit per month, which is equal to 10 hours of audio. And every single features in free starter creators are in Pro. But additionally, there's higher quality audio by projects and like better audio output. And if you scroll down, you also see some really expensive ones like Scale, which is $330 per month. This is for growing publishers and companies, and this gives you 2 million credits per month, which is equal to 40 hours of audio. And it gives you priority support. If you use business, which is equal to $1,320 per month, this is also for growing publishers and companies. It gives you 11 million credits per month, which is equal to 180 hours. It includes everything in Pro Plus and even Scale, but it gives you additional turbo model at $50 per million credits. which you have to pay yearly actually, and there's also 3 professional voice clones, and samely priority service. And for last, there's enterprise, which is custom pricing. So this is for enterprise that need volume-based discount and custom terms. So you can talk with the manager by pressing this last talk, and you can ask for as much credit as you need. It includes everything in Scale Plus, and it gives you API access to everything, custom terms and assurance around DPA and SLAs, security questionnaires, custom SSO, more voices, more monthly voice operations, unlimited concurrency, scalable pricing with volume-based discount. So you can choose the one that best fits you, and you can even do annually if you want, and you have to check it out. VoiceOver Studio. VoiceOver Studio. It's beta now, but when you go there, you can just create a new voiceover. This lets you upload a video and use like Premiere Pro but in website. So you can directly add AI voice into your video without any like downloadation. Press create new voiceover, and then you should name this project. I think I will name this project as cooking tutorial. And then you can add audio or video. It's optional, so you can add or you don't need to. You can add inside. But let me try adding. I would just want to add some cooking video. And I'm going to upload this baking video that I have right now. Like this. And just simply, if you don't like it, you can just simply click this trash icon. And if you love it, you can just press create voiceover. And after a few seconds, you can create your voiceover. And here we go. Now we'll explore the UI. You will see our video right here and your AI voice at the left. And below that, you will see our voice track or background. You can use this. Now let's get started. First of all, we're going to learn how to navigate between this UI. So if you want to zoom in, you can directly drag this bar, or you can press Alt and scroll wheel to make it zoom. If you want to move right and left, you can just simply press Shift and move your scroll wheel. And that is all. And let's start by adding our first speaker. So in the left, you can just simply type what you want to add. If I play this video,
we are in my home kitchen today making peanut butter bars.
I don't want this, you can just right click and delete this. I'm going to write here, today we are going to make peanut butter chocolate. And then you can just simply press generate audio. And it will generate it like,
today we are going to make peanut butter chocolate. Peanut butter.
okay, I love it. And I don't want this long time here. Then you can just go to trim, press on this, bring yours here, and at the edge, you can just drag the edge to trim it. When you're done, come back to select. To move it, press and drag it, and then you can just play the game.
Today we are going to make peanut butter chocolate.
I love it. And then if I want to add another clip, you can just simply press on any empty space, or you can just press add clip right here. I will just write it's really easy. Try it out by yourself. And we're going to generate audio again. And then let me play it.
It's really easy to follow. So try it out by yourself.
I love it, but I don't really like this long space. Then you can just take your this bar right any place, and then you'll see this little icon here. Press it to split, and then you'll see that it is divided by 2. Let's delete is really easy to follow, and like this. And then I'm going to use trim again to trim this edge and bring it to the middle.
Follow. So try it out by yourself.
I love it. And just let me add some more text right here.
By yourself.
I think it's
Make
too
peanut butter
slow.
chocolate. It's really easy to follow.
I think I might have to delete this. So I'm going to right click and press delete. And then I'm going to play the game. It's a scene where I put chocolate into peanut butter. So I'm going to add an audio. Prepare peanut butter and pour melted chocolate over it. Generate audio. And then when I play it again,
Easy to follow.
I'll just move it here.
Prepare peanut butter and pour melted chocolate over it.
Okay, maybe I will just go back to what it was before. And I'll just delete it. And then here, after this pouring the chocolate, I'm just going to write another clip like prepare a bowl. Move it right here. Prepare these things before starting. And then I'll go here and I'm going to add another trim. Pour this powder. I don't really want the voice to be generated same as before. So let's explore voice setting. So at this little pan, you'll see a voice setting. If it's too small, you can just drag the edge of it. And let's see. There's one clip we have to select here. And then we're going to decrease the volume by dragging this bar. And then you can just press generate audio. And it will directly generate audio same as this thing.
Pair these things before starting.
Okay, and there's also voice setting. Click on it and press this track settings, and then you'll be able to change it. Maybe I want Brian this
The
time.
thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
I'll leave other things as it is, and then close it. And then you can just simply press generate audio to generate the audio of him.
Starting.
Pour rain. Pour this powder.
Okay, I love it. And then at the very last, you'll see a dictation. This is a STS, speech to speech, which takes your speech and converts it to the another AI voice that we used before, like something like the thing we used. So press it. Pour 1 cup of peanut butter. Stop, and you'll see a dictation. Pour 1 cup of peanut butter. And then you can just simply click on generate audio STS to generate this audio.
Pour 1 cup of peanut butter.
You'll see it'll take my dictation like pour, and it also use same here.
Pour 1 cup.
You'll see that AI is really now following how I speak, so it is really useful when you want to give some expression in the video. And then we're going to use voiceover track. We will see this little voiceover track here. Just press on it to add another voiceover track right here. Just you can use another person's voice here to make it a little more fun and exciting. I will add here. What was the thing that appeared here?
Starting.
2 cups almond flour. 2 cup almond flour. 2 cups of almond flour. And then I will use this time another voice, Lily.
I have never been hurt by anything I didn't say.
And then I will press generate audio. And then directly,
2 cups of almond flour.
maybe right here.
2 cups of almond flour.
Pour 1 cup of peanut butter.
Okay, I love it, but I will just trim here and bring this little near.
Pour 1 cup of peanut butter.
Okay, I love it. And then let me add another voice after this. 1 out of 3. Okay, this time 1/3 cup cup of maple syrup, and then just press generate audio. This is all. You can just add your voiceover in vlogs, gaming review, movie review, and anything.
1/3 cup of maple syrup.
Okay, and we're going to go to add SFX tracks. This is a sound effect. Press on it and you'll see a new X track, and go to a place where you need sound effect, maybe here, and then I'll add here syrup falling, pouring syrup. When you click on it, you can also generate here or here. After a few seconds, you'll see this.
1/3 cup of maple syrup.
Okay, I love it. It really takes it. And let's go back. Maybe here. Maybe this time pouring flour. And generate speech audio.
2 cups of almond flour.
Pour 1 cup.
Okay, I love it. And next is uploading audio. You can just press this to upload your specific audio you have. You'll see that there's you can drag and drop, and you can just bring it from your Explorer to here, or copy paste, or you can just go inside and select the one you want. It supports MP3, AAC, WAV, FLAC files, and it must be smaller than 500 megabyte. Just make sure that it is under 500 megabyte. And then let's go.
2 cups of almond flour.
Pour 1 cup of peanut butter.
Let me add voiceover track. Oh, maybe I did it by mistake, and I don't really want this. To do this, you can just press this little 3-dot button and delete speaker. But like this. And if I want to hear only the sound effect, not
Prepare these things.
not other voices, you can just press this solo track button to hear only the selected track. And there's also this gear icon, configure voice. You can change the voice right here, so use it as you want. And if you think this is too small space for this generating audio, you can just press this collapse and expand button to change the size of this one. Nice, pretty nice. And I finished almost like this, and I will just press this drop down button to go it back, make it small. And I just really want to make this video as French or so, and you can just press this plus icon here and it'll ask you for the target language. My target language is French, so I will select French and just press add language, and you'll see that French is added. And when you look at any other voices and when you're in French, you will see that our text has been translated into French, and you can directly just press generate audio here, each one, or you can just directly press generate still audio to generate the audio for all of them. Let's see.
Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire du chocolat au beurre de cacahuète. Versez 2 tasses de farine d'amande, 1 tasse de beurre de cacahuète.
Okay, I love it. And what if I want to hear original voice, not French? No problem. Just click on original here to hear it.
Of almond flour.
And what if you want to customize the original? Just simply press on original here to select and change here. Okay, maybe I can add another voice, this time Arabic. Generate stale audio.
اليوم سنقوم بصنع زبدة الفول السوداني بالشوكولاتة. صب كوبين من دقيق اللوز. كوب واحد من زبدة الفول السوداني.
Okay, I love it. And next is advanced setting. So go to this gear icon and you will see some advanced options. You can import your script like YouTube script file, or YouTube like text, or YouTube subtitle file, or you can just add pronunciation dictionary. But I don't have ones now, so you can use it when you have it and when you want to use it. And now we are going to export this video by pressing export right here. You can export any of these 3 original Arabic French because I added them. Maybe I will use French and as MP4 video, yes, and press export. It'll take like few seconds, and you can now view this directly in this web.
Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire du chocolat au beurre de cacahuète.
Okay, or you can just press download to download it into your file. Very good. And now we're going to moving on to Dubbing Studio. To use the Dubbing Studio, just simply click on create new dub, and then it'll ask you for the contents name, project name. I will just write GLTC dubbing, and source language. This time I have English, and then as a target language or end language or translated language, I want it as Russian maybe. Yeah, it looks good. And there's few different ways of uploading your video here. There's uploading or YouTube link, or like TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, or other URL links. Let us try by YouTube first. Let me bring one of the video, and I have this video from Elevenlabs. I will just copy the link. You can just press this share, copy, and bring it here, or you can just directly copy this link, paste this, and there's few different options to choose. Create dubbing studio. This will make your dub adjustable in this editor. And reduce character uses. This will add Elevenlabs to reduce the character uses, but it will add a watermark in the video, so I don't recommend using this. There's isn't any a lot of differences. Number of speakers, detect, because I don't know how many speakers are there, but I think it's no problem to leave it as detect. And time range to dub, if you just leave it as none, it will dub everything. So I will just press create dub, and the dub creation will be in process. And let us do the same thing, but this time with our upload. I have just recorded my video, and let me use this maybe from English to Arabic this time. No, Korean maybe. Let me try create dub. It will take time while uploading by the length of your video. So if it's short, it will be faster. If it's long, it will be slower. Let me wait for it. And here we have one GLTC dub. Let's try. Click on it, and you can download, or you can just watch it by pressing this.
Меня зовут Майкл Маршалл. Я живу в Мельбурне, Австралия. Я актер озвучки с 2018 года и голос Даниэля, Джеймса и Джозефа на Elevenlabs. Я наслаждаюсь каждой минутой. Самый главный. Даниэль, и я не могу поверить, насколько похудел Дэниел. Я зашел в 11 лабораторий вчера, но не был авторизован. И голос, который сейчас используется для тестирования 11 Labs, это Дэниел. И я не могу в это поверить. Дэниел был голосом, который я хотел, чтобы люди слушали для расслабления, не для новостей.
Okay, seems pretty nice. I love it. I love how the way it translated, and I think because this video is too quick, there's some voice that is the part of the voice when it's too quick, but don't worry, just you can download this, and here you will see more details of it, when it was dubbed, and source language, target language, and the source, the YouTube link, and the video resolution, and dubbed range, watermarked, and credit used. So you have to be aware that this dubbing video will consume tons of credits. Like I already consumed 13,000 credits today by only this single video by 4 minutes. I'm just worried how much this another 27-minute video will consume. And here we go, we've got our video. Let's check it out.
안녕.
그러니까
여러분 안녕하세요. 다시 오신 것을 환영해요. 오늘은 지난 시간에 이어서 이 프로젝트를 살펴볼 거예요. 지에 대할 문 정도만 살펴봅니다. AI가 고를 때 몇몇 오류가 있거나
Okay, it isn't really bad, but I feel like if it was better, I could use it more frequently because it cannot detect my speech really well. But I think that's not bad. Okay, and now we're going to move on to audio native. So, audio native is an embedded player that automatically perceives the contents of your post and voices using text to speech.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
So, you can choose the player appearance like background color and text color. I think this is the preview, so let me try changing it. Little purple color. Okay, I think this one is great. So to save it, press save change. URL allow list. So you can just press this, which will allow the native player to work in. Maybe like youtube.com and maybe ChatGPT, and then naver.com, like this, and just press finish onboarding, and that's all. And next we're going to look at voice isolator. Audio native, you can use it, but I don't really want to show you because it's like you use it in some website reading it, but it isn't really great right now. And now we're going to use a voice isolator. Let's try by recording audio. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and I'm teaching AI from GLTC. Have you ever heard about AI, which is short form of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT or Elevenlabs are changing how we live. So we were like texting people, like emailing people by ourselves, thinking what should we write. But now, if you just type the prompt, what should I say to my friend? What does this mean? To ChatGPT, then it will directly explain everything and write an email for you. Even it can draw, speak, and even generate videos. So many differentiate things are coming right now. So make sure you follow and make sure that you know how to use them. That is why I'm teaching you AI. Okay, I think this much is enough. So let's isolate voice. Then it will take few seconds for isolating voices from the audio track. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and I'm teaching AI from GLTC. Have you ever heard about AI, which is short form of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT or Elevenlabs. You'll see it has become really different from what I have did first. This has separated me from like tons of like background noises and other some sounds. So but it didn't see really much here. Like this time I will give some noise while I'm recording with an AC open and some background noise like this. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew from I'm teaching people in GLTC. I'm our teacher. I'm a teacher of artificial intelligence and I really love to teach them. You know, artificial intelligence are changing how we live our lives. Before there was no ChatGPT, when there was no ChatGPT, we always wrote the things by ourselves. We made the music ourselves. But now, when you see, there's everything are working with artificial intelligence. They're really changing how we live our lives, and you should follow them up to stay in fit. Okay, let's isolate now. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew from I'm teaching people in GLTC. 잠깐만. I'm a teacher of art. You'll see that everything has changed. From a background noise, it removed even my even the sound I'm hitting the table like this has changed. It deleted everything. So you can use it to isolate the lyrics from videos or music, and you can use it to hear something more well when you can't hear well. So Keep studying for Elevenlabs because it's really nice too.